Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is my first Alden Richards video. Grabe. I super love Alden since 2013 pa yata. And for this one, sabi ng Kapuso United, look at Kapuso A-lister Alden Richards is the cover star of Preview magazine for the month of May. Alden Richards is at top of his game at this point of his career. The GMA actor is well aware that becoming a trending topic on the daily, for better, for worse, is part. Ayun na nga, ang super cute na si Alden Richards na sana makita ko na ng personal. Grabe. At meron nga video ang preview sa kanya. Let's watch this. Ayun na nga, hindi masyadong kina-close up yung face. Pero after a few days lang siguro or weeks, papakita rin yung actual photo shoot ni David on the video. So, I really love preview kasi magaganda yung mga behind the scenes nila sa mga videos nila. At saka talagang gumagwapo yung mga artist. Pagka preview magazine, yan may patalon-talon pa at sa TV, yan. Diba? I so love it. So medyo vintage yung concept yata for Alden Richards for this preview magazine, The Runner. Ayan. Lumang parang 70s style na runner at saka weightlifter or nag-gym para mga ganon. Yan for May 2024. Ayan. Preview. Diba? I still love it. So, ayan na nga, i-close up natin yung face para makita natin yung kagwapuhan at pagka-baby face nga ni Alden Richards. So, ito yung pinaka-ultimate idol ko or ultimate favorite ko sa male. Sa female kasi si Barbie tsaka si Marian actually. Pero sa male, si Alden talaga. Dati si David kaya lang wala. Na-disappoint ako. So, si Alden na talaga ang super duper love natin at super idol. At yan na nga, napakagwapo niya. Diba? Picture perfect. At sabi nga sa previews, as it turns out, the clamor for the Cat 10 project extends even beyond Ethan and Joy's world. Netizens went wild when a clip of Alden gifting Katrine a bouquet of flowers and a Baccarat box spread online, all amidst of a tabloid headline speculating about a budding romance between the two. Off-cam, Alden keeps his cool. So sabi nga ni Alden, the friendship never ended. Naging solid din talaga yung samahan naming lahat when we were filming. And right now, I'm just quite overwhelmed, he shares. Whatever is happening between Kat and I really want it to be personal. Grabe, Kat then will be the newest power couple pag nangyari to. Parang dong yan na part 2, no? Grabe. Parang blockbuster artist. Kaya I super love them. Sana naman maging kahit magjowa muna tapos saka na natin pag-isipan kung kakasal sila. Para tayo magde-decide, no? Grabe. At yun nga, Alden is nominated for the 72nd FAMAS Awards as Best Actor for his film Family of Two. This is his second Best Actor nomination. Yung first Best Actor nomination niya ay sa 2020 FAMAS Awards for Hello, Love, Goodbye. And here's Alden's performance tonight at the Mamanggi Festival, City of Iligan, Isabela, at tonight at 6 p.m. And he is singing How Deep Is Your Love. Let's watch this. I know Alden singing How Deep Is Your Love. One of my favorite songs actually ng Bee Gees. Nung dating nag-audition ako. Sa pa yata yun, Search for a Star, tapos ganyan yung kinanta ko, kaya lang ang nakakatawa, masyadong mahaba yung yung kanyang intro, tapos hindi ako nag-practice. Just ko, nauna ako doon sa intro. Kainis, kaya syempre pagka gano'n na sa mall, tapos thank you agad, sasabihin nila, hindi man ako nakakanta masyado, nakakagigil. Anyway, ayun na nga, maganda kay Alden, magaling umarte, tapos magaling kumanta. Hindi naman siya ganun super expert sa pagkanta, pero pwede na, di ba? Tapos yung magaling pang sumayaw. So, total performer talaga si Alden Richards, and I so love it. At super A-lister talaga siya, no? Parang pang ilan ba siya sa richest yata? So, pang 8 siya sa richest Filipino celebrities for 2024 at 609 million. At pang 10 naman si Barry Forteza with 600 million pesos in assets. Grabe. At ang daming business ni Alden, no? Napagsasabay-sabay niya. At yung bang kahit na businessman siya, ay hindi mo halatang hindi mo halatang stress siya with regards to his business and with regards to his acting. Talagang nagagawa niya ng sabay. Grabe. Super professional talaga ni Alden. So, sana nga ay makahanap na siya ng ng girlfriend para
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Pati po yung mga nasa bleachers, yung mga nasa likod po. Magandang gabi po. Happy Mamanggi Festival po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa akin dito. And sana po nag-enjoy kayong lahat.
Meron na mag-aalaga kay Alden natin. Grabe. Sana sikat na yun. Grabe. Yun na nga si Alden. So hopefully I can meet him in person. Grabe. At June 1 nga ay nasa Netflix na ang Family of Two nila ni Miss Sharon Cuneta. And finally, words of wisdom from Alden Richards. Words of advice from my idol, very successful A-lister Alden Richards. Let's watch this.
As a blockbuster king.
Wow, box office king! Box office king! Yes!
Iba din talaga. And I think these are some of the reasons why, people consider you inspirational, and they look up to you. So to those who are, chasing their dreams like you are, busy chasing their dreams, can you give us one advice? What do they need in order for them to be successful?
Number one, it's determination and the discipline. Sabi nga nila, di ba, parang motivation and discipline is very different from one another. When you're motivated, parang hit or miss depende sa mood mo kung you will go right after your dreams. But if you're disciplined, iba yun. Parang continuous flame yun inside you. That you keep on doing it all over again until you reach your goals. So, akala nga natin motivation and discipline parehong maganda pakinggan. Pero when you look at them together, mas okay pa rin na disciplinado ka kasi motivated.
Yes.
Because
Disciplinado ka.
yes, you have to be disciplined para continuous yung effort mo to reach for those dreams that you want to achieve in life, especially your goals. And at the same time, syempre, be a good person, with everyone that comes your way, be respectful, wag kang mambastos, wag kang mangapa, and always pay it forward. And syempre, aside from that, syempre, kailangan mo rin ng partner.
Yes!
Partner sa...
Importante ng partner.
Napaka-importante ng partner. So that's why, yung Y100 ngayon, that's why pinamura siya sa inyo, guys. Kaya nga nakabili lang ng Of course, para meron kayong ka-partner na phone that can, sustain your lifestyle and help you, make your life better as you, reach for your dreams. So to everyone who bought and supported Vivo Y100 today, maraming salamat po. As in, down to my deepest and, big heart, maraming salamat. Thank you so much.
Give yourselves a big round of
Ayun na nga, very well said. So, motivation and discipline, yan ang kailangan ng mga artista para magtagal sila sa industry, di ba? I so love it. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Alden Richard updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!